You wanna take a selfie or not? I know it's unreasonable to be this angry. Lighting's not that good, boo. Oh my god. Hi honey. So today we're in Salaam Zoo and we're here to see like lots of different animals. So let's go. The park is really empty, TBH, but that's actually good for me. I hate crowded places. So right now I just saw the ox, and there's some rides over here, but I don't know if they work or not. Yeah, let's just keep going and see what animals we encounter. Kwani Mamba Village. These are the baby crocodiles. Funny story, I went to Egypt once and went to someone's house and they removed a baby crocodile and put it on my lap. It was so traumatizing. Gonna find out what the most dangerous animal in the world is. Oh my god, it's me. Wow. But true that. When you don't fast in Ramadan, that's what you are. These guys are high-key dinosaurs. High-key, man. He has claws. Please don't come at me, bro. He's looking at me. That side eye though. Like, I'm sorry. Should I just walk away a little bit? You guys, I've never been looked at so badly in my life. I'm sorry, I'm not the one who kept you in the cage. I also don't agree. Yeah, you do. It's just after making a handbag, so no, it was just a joke. I'd never make him into a handbag. Hey, he has a sassy walk though. Strut that thing. Strut, strut. Yeah. Hey, it's coming back. You wanna be my friend or no? To be perfectly honest, like I do go to zoos every now and again, or like, but I don't agree with them. I think like national parks are okay because they're huge, but even then, like we're only doing it for the safety of the animals. But stuff like monitor lizards, tortoises, like snakes, even though I hate snakes, like it's not right. Like imagine if you were put in a cage. Oh my god, the saddest thing is when you see dolphins. Imagine a dolphin has the whole ocean to swim in, and then suddenly it's like put in a pool. That pool is even smaller than a prison to it. It's literally like you're suffocating them. They're so sad. I was swimming with dolphins in a pool in Egypt once, and that's when it hit me. I was like, this is so wrong. Because they seemed sad. It was really sad. I think I've said sad a lot. But yeah, I don't think zoos are okay, honestly. Like, look at this guy. He could be up on like some trees in a forest, but he's stuck in here. Wagwan, bro. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Kush, I'm dying. I just screamed with such little grace. I don't know why I was so scared. Like my phone was obviously not gonna go through the cage, but he had grabbed it with his whole hands. And I don't know why I felt like he had grabbed my baby, my child. And I was just vouching for them, like, oh baby, he's maskini, you should have been put in a zoo. They tried to steal my phone. What kind of genius. I had a little fan I bought in London, but it didn't really work out. Okay, it doesn't feel as good as it looked. It doesn't have anything. Yeah, no, but I don't feel any breeze at all. Got my hopes up for nothing, girl. The guy's gave him a bottle of juice and he drank it. Think they're gonna give him another one. Look at him, look at him. He's opening it himself. Planet of the Apes is coming soon, guys. Look, he's drinking it. This is crazy pants. Took the gum and I think he likes it. Look, he knows my hand's empty, so he's not bringing his hand out. He's like, what? Okay, do you see yourself? This is you. You taking a selfie. Do you not care about yourself? He doesn't care. Maybe the lighting is bad. You don't like the lighting? Where? You wanna take a selfie or not? He doesn't care at all. Look, it's you. Oh my god, let me try Snapchat. Look, this is called a selfie. Come take a selfie. Where? Look at the selfie. You can have my phone. Take a selfie. I'm going and you'll never get this opportunity again. Listen to me. Come take a selfie. I know it's unreasonable to be this angry, but I'm actually really pissed at that monkey for not wanting to take a selfie. Like, why though? Like, it looked at its reflection and it didn't care. Why? And you've never seen your reflection before. Baby. He looks so done with life. What's wrong, fam? Tell me your problems. Yes, queen. This is a queen. Oh my god, look at the way he's sitting. And she's waiting for a cup of tea. I've never seen so much sass in a primate before in my life. Bro. And this one's just drawing stuff in the sand. These guys are huge. I've never seen an animal that looks like this. What? They're so beautiful. They're like a camel and a buffalo and an antelope all put in one. This is not the same thing as that.
Yeah, this is prettier, yani. His horns, magnificent.
Oh, their body, them curves, them curls. She can hear all the gossip, all the Mombasa. This girl knows what's up. Yo, look here.
What animal is this though? There's no plaque.
Oh my god.
Did you try to bite
What did
you?
he just do? I don't know. Yeah,
Wait, don't trigger him.
Hey, please trigger the fly is still shitting on his eyes. Oh my god, he just rolled his eyes at me. Yo, he's getting out.
Did he telling you to go away?
He's actually getting aggressive. Come back to me. Tell me what's
And the
wrong.
tips are like white and shit.
Yeah, look, come tell me.
He's actually getting so mad.
Come.
It's okay, it's okay.
Come
I'm
tell
sorry.
me.
He's trying to look past us, you know. The thing is that,
Sorry.
okay, I think we should just take a cue and leave. Bye. We're sorry we
He
disturbed
stole
you.
Maleficent's-
This for sure is the bastard child of a zebra and a donkey.
Are you an idiot? A zebra and a donkey look the same.
Yeah, so now that's how he got his stripes.
No, it's clearly brown.
Yeah.
Clearly you need to like.
But donkeys are brown, are you crazy?
No,
Look at its
I feel
face.
like it's not a donkey.
Or a zebra and a
Look
horse.
at his face,
A zebra
it's
and
a-
a horse.
Zebra and a horse maybe.
This is a donkey's face, are you guys crazy?
True, right.
Come look here, kidogo.
Skin is good. I love you. We're meant to be.
Are you dumb? Why?
Look at me. Look at me.
Look at me now. Hey. Okay, we're almost at the end, so I thought this is a good time as any to show you my OTD. So I'm wearing my usual abaya with the whole rhinestone details, floral wide leg pants, white shirt, and some sandals. My legs are nasty. And some glasses and with a beauty on the lips. This is genuinely not okay. Like, look at the size of this cage. So, do you remember when that song, "Quick Before the Hyenas Come"?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
I really don't like the conditions they kept in because in Kenya we're not used to doing it like this. Like, it's usually a very open area. It's a national park, or even if it's like the zoo national park area, they're like in a really big space, not literally caged up. So that I didn't like so much, but still I'm glad I saw some animals and I had a little bit of a fight with 2 monkeys. So all in all, it was a good time. Okay guys, so we're done with the zoo and I saw lots of animals that I've never seen before, so it was lots of fun. If you guys like this video, if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and press the subscribe button and the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post up new videos. Bye!